come to these events to learn. Come to these events to give to the event so you can get from the event. Does that make sense? Okay? Some people say, well, why do you show up to an event if you don't have to? My mentality is I have to, because I have to give to the event so I can get things out of the event as well. Does that make sense to everybody? Yes. That should continue to be your mentality no matter what in this business. You got to show up so you can contribute to the event, and then the event will give back to you every single time. Every single time. It's one thing I learned in 16 years is you got to show up and you got to make sure that you're taking the notes so you can get it on paper, so you can then get it in your mind. See, here's how I know this works. In school, some of you know I have ADHD really, really bad, right? I was an all AD math student in school. I believe the reason why I made all A's in all my subjects except math is because, see, math, they put all these X's and just different lines and stuff on the paper, which totally, messed me up, right? But everything else in every other class, I could take notes. And so when I took the notes and I showed up for class every day, I had the worst study habits of anybody. I didn't really go home and study the notes, but when the test came, when it was time to do the test, guess what I could see in my head? The notes. I could see the notes in my head, therefore I could put it back on paper. And the more and more times I put it back on paper, the more and more times it was ingrained in me, so it became a part of me. Therefore, I became an A student in everything except math. Does that make sense? Okay? If you want to be an A student in network marketing, it starts with taking the notes. It worked in school, it'll work here too. Okay?